On Watts Bar Lake, a short drive west of Knoxville, Tennessee, do we have a most exceptional home for you. Welcome to 158 Emerald Cove Lane. This is a contemporary lodge, a construction with tons of amenities throughout. 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and a half bath for over 3,800 square feet of living area. And it's all on the shores of Emerald Cove. Step inside. From the foyer, we first enter your truly gourmet kitchen. It's custom crafted with the appointments you expect and the extras you'll appreciate, like a copper sink and this French hand-built gas range. Not only do you have plenty of dining area facing the first of 2 fireplaces, this is the first of 2 large living rooms, both facing out over the lake view through walls of glass. We even have extra entertainment area built into the lower level with a game room and bar. The bedrooms provide the utmost in privacy and comfort on the main, the lower floor, and the upper, where the master suite awaits with your personal screen porch. It's just one of several sitting and lounging areas all placed on the property for not only tremendous entertainment experience, but also the perfect spots to relax, to take in the view, and to experience the good life out on the lake. We've even extended great get-togethers to this separate, fully equipped kitchen and dining area in its own screen porch. Of course, being on the lake means this huge private dock with multi-vessel capacity with its own layout deck. Take a private tour of 158 Emerald Cove Lane in Rockwood, Tennessee. Call Bob or Levi Giltnane of Sail Away Homes and Land at 865-717-7245.